Good morning. I would like to first welcome you to the class. You received this video, then you're either in Math 30, College Algebra First Sem, or Math 39, Trigonometry. So basically both classes have the same Canvas layout. So I'm gonna walk you through one class of how to get started for the first week. When you're in Canvas, let's say you're in Math 30 course, you will be clicking on Math 30. And since our course only meet 1 hour a week on Thursday, there's a lot of things that you need to be done, that you need to do before you come to class on Thursday, whether you join us in person or online via Zoom. Now, because of the campus go back to online for until February 7, that is the tentative day until we get back to meet in person, all of you shall be meet online. So when you're in the Canvas course, you click on our course, you will see the screen. You see hang on, let me put into student views. Okay, so this is the screen that you will see. You will see the introduction to the course. What is this course about? The structure of the course, structure of the course and what need to be done before come to class and what need to be done after each class. And what if you need help in between? You can get help by going to office hour via Zoom. Here's the link. You can register for concurrent support class, and we have meeting link. We have class meeting and we have office hour. So let's talk about what you do before coming to class. Before coming to class on every Thursday, you will need to complete the following. You watch the video lecture of the week. You attempt the homework and lab assignment if there's any. Post your first discussion post by Wednesday at midnight. Okay, so before you come to class, you click on the module. And I would advise you to look through this before you even started this material for the course. Now we have the course syllabus. We'll tell you what are the expectations, what is your grade, and how the grade distribute. What is the policy for homework, discussion board, lab assignment, exam, and all something. And we have some useful information in the bottom if you want to look over. I would recommend you to do so. Then we have the course calendar. The course calendar will tell you what we will be covered and what due when. Okay, so for example, the first week, January 18 to 23rd, we will be cover modeling with equation and solving inequality. Then you need to do your week 1 discussion and homework. So week 1 discussion usually have 2 parts, one due on Wednesday and one due on Sunday. And the direction for each of this assignment is available in Canvas specifically. And homework, both of the homework are due on Sunday at midnight. And we'll get to how to do the homework in a little bit. So when you click on module, you see your syllabus, your course calendar. A lot of time, actually all of the time that we are doing your lab assignment and exam, I'll ask you to do your lab assignment and exam and then scan your complete work into a PDF file, one PDF file, and submit using the link that provided. Now, if you don't know how to scan or don't have a scanner, then you can use your phone to scan. So here's the instruction on how to do so. It is a YouTube video that I found on YouTube, and I have quite good instruction on how to use your phone to scan to PDF, one document PDF. Okay, this module. And we are doing homework via website. So here is the accessing website from Canvas instruction. You can watch the video on your own. Now, I assign you homework and a lot of the question is come from the book. So instead of having you sometime would Google the answer and get it somewhere, I rather just give you the solution. menu. So this is the solution menu where you can compare your answer and see whether you did the question correctly or not. Now, the solution menu is available, but don't abuse it. I assign homework and see if you can copy down the answer in your solution and turn it into me. You're not going to be able to do the same on your exam, so you do need to know. And then this is the optional discussion. This discussion is for me to get to know you. And it opened on January, and it have instruction on what you need to do. It's just for me to know who you are, what do you like, and what your expectation for the class. So I'm looking forward to see what you have to say. Now, for the class, I will let you take the exam at home. So in order to do that, we will have your exam will be proctored by Proctorio. That is a secure online practical exam. You need to download a Proctorio extension for your Chrome browser in order to do so. So I'd like you to look through this website. And hang on, I have pop-up block on and click on this. It will tell you what is Proctorio, how does it work, and how can I prepare. You want to download and install the Proctorio in Chrome to make it ready for your first exam. And to make sure that you also do so, the next thing we have is a quiz. It is the Proctorio quiz. It does not affect your grade at all. You have unlimited attempt just to make sure that the Proctorio is set up correctly on your computer. So that is week 0 orientation with all the useful information. In week 1, so this is the material we will cover in week 1. You will go over with module 1, equation and graph. We have the introduction, objective, and the follow along lecture notes. So if you click on this, you get the whole packet of notes that I prepared for you. And it take a minute to load. So you see this lecture note. And when you watch the video lecture, you will fill this out along with your lecture note. Okay, and I would advise you to print this out so that you can fill it in. The next thing is the modeling with equation. We have the video lecture. Again, this is your follow along lecture note in case you hadn't downloaded from module 1 introduction. We have video that is follow along with the note itself. And I recorded this video, so if there any mistake in doing any of this problem that I may make, please make sure let me know. Now, after you're done watching the video and filled out your lecture note, you will make your first post in the discussion working together one. And what you do is the post 1 is due on Wednesday at midnight. So you will answer this question here, right? What topic are you comfortable with? Give an example of the problem and the topic. And if you are comfortable with it, discuss how to solve the problem that you post. And what are the topics that you need help or unsure about? And give example questions so that your classmate can help you out or I can help you out. And post 2 due on Sunday, that is after you attend the lecture on Thursday or watch the recording of the lecture. And you will offer advice and instruction on how to solve the problem that your classmate posed on Wednesday. Right? And if you are going to direct your classmate to Khan Academy, YouTube, or any external website that would help, you need to include the link of the specific topic and that your classmate refer to, and I will check whether the link is appropriate to the topic. Now, to receive full credit, you need to make 2 posts by Wednesday and Sunday on time, and you be great on the thoughtfulness of your post. So it can't be, oh, I agree with what you just said in the previous post, or okay, you need to make more than 3 sentences of what your thought and advice to your friend on the post. Okay. So now let's go back to module. Now that you make the discussion post, you will do the homework modeling with equation. So when you click on this modeling with equation assignment is logged into then, but when you click on this, it will have the page would lead you to set up your own account. You will, after you set up your account, you will have a 14-day trial of the program. After that, you do need to pay for subscription to continue on with your homework. Now, the college as a whole is working on minimal the textbook cost right now. Right now what we have is not ready to use quite yet, but maybe in the future you don't have to worry about paying for textbook at all. And cross finger, I'm working on it really hard. I'm trying, so we'll get there. Okay, so that is your first week. Now during the semester, if you ever need help and I'm not available, or if your friend and your classmate is not around, and you know when you're at home it can be hard, need help, you can click on Net Tutor and it will take you to the so I don't have anything in here for now, but when you click on this, it will take you to the right here, the Tutoring Center, LPC Tutoring Center and the Writing Center. It will then get started, and so you can connect with a tutor from last preceded college, which will help you with your math, your English, whatever subject that you require tutor. They have it there, and it's free. So you know, instead of going pay $50 per hour for somebody to help you with your math homework or English homework, may as well use this free service that offered to you. You can also go to the library resource. Library have a lot of books, database. If you need to do research for anything, you can go there. And lastly, let me see if I can find Pronto on here. Okay, so you will have a tab over here on the left hand side that said Pronto. It is kind of like a chat room where you can just send a message and your whole class will receive. Say for example, if you have a question on the syllabus, you can just type it in and maybe somebody will answer you, or I will receive it as a text message and maybe I can answer your question. Okay. All right. So welcome to the class, and I'm looking forward to meet you all on Thursday. Please get started on the class material. Click through it. See what you have. Any question that you may have, please make sure to send it my way. The easiest one to get a hold of me is through Pronto. Or if you want to have a private question, you can just inbox me, send me a message via Canvas. Don't send me to my official email because I don't answer that as quickly as the inbox I receive on Canvas. Okay. All right. Again, I'm looking forward to see you on Thursday, and feel free to email me if you have any question, and maybe just post in Pronto if that is something you want to help from your classmate.